Hello, this is Geo Global Concepts. As you all know, we deal in training of individuals into deep mobile repairs. I want to present something so special to you. Geo Global Concept is offering an online training. You can see our website on the screen. You can log into the website. Once you log into the website, I want you to follow the procedures there. When you come down to the website, you are going to see a start button, get started button. So all you just have to do is just to click the get started button and you are done. So our training starts from 10th of August. Our online classes start from 10th of August. So if you have not applied for this wonderful program, I want you to please apply. What are you going to learn from this program? You are going to learn so many things. You are going to learn how to fix phone on your own. You are going to learn how to solve some software and hardware issues on your own. And also finally, I'm going to add a free lesson for you, which is how to design websites. So you're going to learn how to design websites via this platform. So I want you to opt into this program so you can start your classes from on the 10th of August 2020. So please go down to the website, Geo Global Concept, geocellfix. We are here to train individuals into deep mobile repairs. Now, it is not only for young people, it is for anybody. If you want to know how to fix phone on your own, if you want to learn how to do it on your own, you can subscribe for the training, and I assure you it's going to be awesome. In my other video, I'm going to show you the step-and-step procedure on how to opt into this online program. So watch out for the next video. The tutorial is going to teach you how to subscribe for the program, how to get started, and the mediums in which you are going to use to organize this online training. Be a part of it, and I know you won't regret it at all. Thank you so much.
Please, I want you to press the bell notification button and the subscribe button together. Press the subscribe button and press the bell notification so you can see all our videos. You can see all our upcoming videos and updates on our videos on how to fix phone. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.